Burns.
What's up, guys?
Okay, so the boys were just here. They picked up their radiator. They're gonna go see Gary.
Which is because I don't think we took a video of it being out.
No.
We're trying to take a
We
video.
took a video of it sitting up there.
Yep. So I got the AC belt off.
Beautiful.
Power steering belt off.
Belt off.
Just took that one off, and I'm getting ready to take some of the brackets off so I can actually get this water pump
Pop
off.
that thermostat out real quick too. All right. What's in there? What was it? What's the temperature say?
Fuck, I can't.
Hard to see.
180.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we're good with that.
Yeah. I'm just gonna set this off.
Anything's better than a 192 out here.
Yeah.
I prefer a 160. But...
Well, I mean, like for a car like this, 160 would be great for out here.
Yeah.
Now, unlike my '94 Mustang, that's kind of computer controlled.
It will not go into closed loop
Nope.
with a 160.
So 180
It has to have a 180.
is like the perfect match.
Ooh, look at that's a cool shot. The Mustang kind of just sticking its booty out.
Oh yeah.
It's like,
Did you get it
yeah.
started?
Look at this. Yeah, I'm just peeking my booty. Pop that booty. Wait, what?
He's all yours, dude. I don't know about him anymore.
Anyway, where were we, Mr. Burns? Little bracket removal.
Yeah, so we got these guys here. This one here.
Alternator brake.
Yeah, all the alternator stuff. This tensioner that was for the good old.
HVAC.
Yep.
Oh no, that's for the.
No, that's.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's for the
Air.
Yeah, it was for the air because power steering
You gotta pull the
pump
compressor.
went up, over, across.
You gotta pull the compressor.
Why pull the compressor? That's not.
I mean
bolted.
this bracket for the power steering. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I was like, wait a second, wait a.
So you gotta pull that, and then the water pump will jump right out.
Yep. So that's where I'm at, guys.
Keep it up, good sir.
Don't threaten me with a good time.
Keep working that corner.
Don't talk to me that way.
Yes, sir.
He's mean to me.
I only beat him a little bit.
Oh, so you know how we had that?
Oh.
Scotty, come here.
Uh-oh. In the middle of a video. Everett.
No, I'm not gonna forget his name. Steve, no. So Mary, I was telling my mom's customer off of eBay. His name's Steve.
Oh,
Hey,
yeah.
he lives in Ohio. I think I said Idaho last time.
Tomato.
Yeah, so you know, shout out to you.
There and it's not fun.
Me and my mom joke around, we talk.
Actually,
all the time.
Ohio, I've been to Idaho and Ohio's a lot less fun than Idaho. Anyway.
Well, I guess it depends where you go.
I went to Cleveland.
I lived in
Cleveland's
Columbus.
a dump. But
I lived in Columbus off the 7.
We're talking about a big city.
Cleveland's a dump.
I'm not sure where he lives exactly. I just know Ohio.
Hopefully not Cleveland, because Drew Carey lied. Cleveland does not rock.
So
Cleveland sucks.
I'll let my mom know
Anyway.
which video this is, so you can check it out. Shout out to you.
Shout
Thanks
out!
for watching us.
Everett.
And we still wonder about the boss, but yes, Scott is the gay guy.
Correct.
But we
Well, you
love
got to have one token fag in the group.
Yeah.
What? Are we getting flagged for that?
I can say whatever I want because I am gay.
Oh, yeah, if I get flagged for that, then we can.
Hey,
If you say it,
I can say whatever the F I want because First
you're
Amendment.
brute force.
Yeah, I say what I want. No kisses. Get out of here.
And with that, back to the T-Bird. All right, Burnsy, have fun.